Hey guys, it's been 4 amazing days in Dubai. Join me as I share with you my adventures over the last 4 days. Speaking at an event, hosting a panel, checking out property developers, checking out projects and developments, trying to explore a little bit more of Dubai, trying to do a little bit of exciting stuff. But first, I'm gonna get back to my cake and my coffee before I hop onto the flight back to Singapore. So enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment of your thoughts below.
As a full time trader and coach, I'm usually behind the desk, facing my monitors and creating videos for you all. One of the things that I really look forward to is receiving engagements to speak at events, which gives me the opportunity to share my training experience and tips, meet with new people, and build new connections and networks all around the world. But of course, one of the big benefits is the chance to travel. So the pro tip here is that if you're going to be arriving early, very early in the morning, make sure you have your room booked for the night before because I arrived at the hotel at 5:30 a.m. and the room wasn't ready. So off I went strolling around the DIFC. So my room was only going to be available at 11 a.m. Couple of hours to kill or several hours to kill. But it was nice to check out DIFC when it was peaceful and quiet, before the hustle and bustle. Did you know that the DIFC is an independent jurisdiction under the Constitution of the UAE, with its own civil and commercial laws distinct from those of the wider UAE and its own courts? The DIFC laws and regulations are written in English and default to English law in the event of any ambiguity. So after almost 19,000 steps all around the DIFC, my room was finally ready. Didn't catch any videos of the room or lunch, but I did check out the event space for the next day, and then it was just chilling out in the hotel, relaxing, getting ready for the event tomorrow. Now, this is the third Forex event I've attended so far in the UAE this year. It's always good to go attend such events just to check out the old brokerages, what they're offering, if there's anything new and interesting, and also to check out the new names in the industry to see if they're doing anything different. And you always learn new things by talking to new people as well. And you know what? I've spoken at so many events, been on so many stages all around the world, but every time, or before every time I get onto stage, I still feel that nervousness and that jitter. Now, here are some highlights from my talk. Everything that you do today is all down to discipline. It's all down to what you do when shit hits the fan. So, discipline in trading, ultimately, I've seen so many people do this where they trade, they study the markets, they trade, and they grow their account. They do well, they do well, they do well, and then they disappear. Because one big loss wipes out everything. Right? It happens on crypto. They buy it up, they buy it up, they buy it up. It came almost to, I can't remember what the price was, and then last week or this week we've seen it come right back down again. Right? Without a stop loss, without the right risk management, you could just be stopped out totally. So one bad mistake could undo months or years of good progress or days of good progress. Right? And it comes down to not just money. You're not just losing money. What happens when you lose? You get frustrated, you get emotional, you possibly even give up and stop trading at all. Why are there people who are making money? Because they have a whole clear set of rules, very clear rules of why they're entering a trade. Trading shouldn't be emotional. There is always a little bit of emotion in trading, but it shouldn't be emotional. Every trade you get into, you want it to be a logical process, a step-by-step process of why you enter the trade. Right? So ultimately, every decision matters. If you're jumping in randomly, you're going to get random results. If you jump in with a sequence and a process, you're going to know what you're going to get. The good thing about trading is that it all sounds fantastic in theory. Put a stop loss. For those of you who trade, how many of you put a stop loss?
No hands up, right? In theory, great, put a stop loss. Yes, I know that. In theory, don't take too much risk, right? And I've seen everyone put in trades over and over and over again. I'm like, that's too much risk. So it's not about what you know, but what you do. And I hope to talk to all of you soon again. Thank you so much. So the topic of my talk was quite different from what everyone else was talking about through the day. Did you find it useful? Leave a comment in the section below and let me know. So after my talk and taking some pictures with the attendees, I was off to explore more of the WikiExpo, checking out Tron, the cryptocurrency, and listening in on a keynote speech from Justin Sun, the founder of Tron. Then it was back to my preparation and nervousness and jitters as I got ready to host a panel discussion. Like I was saying, you learn so much when you meet new people and talk about different things. During my panel discussion, I learned so much about the derivative markets in the UAE and how to take advantage of it. Very quickly, we were done with the event, and then it was off to the after party. Didn't stay too late at the after party as I was thinking of my trading workshop the next day. But as usual, I had everything set up, but I forgot to take the video of the whole session. But here's what some of the attendees thought of the session.
Hi, my name is Peter, and here today with Jindal, and it's my first session with him. Firstly, I came across him yesterday. We were in Dubai. We were at a trading show, and he did a really interesting talk. So I had to go speak to him, and yes, luckily I was here to do this. So my experience about the day was just incredibly knowledgeable, but also it's been put into such a simple and straightforward way that, you know, I've been trading for a few weeks now and I haven't quite really got to it, but after that I feel that I am moved so much step forward. So for me it's been a great day, and yeah, I just think that this is really easy way, the way that he describes things, his calm manner, but also the great knowledge and confidence in, and like kind of make it also funny and fun. So it's been really enjoyable, and thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Ian. So I joined Mr. Jindao's trading class, and actually I'm a crypto trader for a while. I'm not that good enough, and I learned a lot, especially for the fundamental analysis, because I usually have some ideas only in technicals, but combining it with fundamentals is really good. And it's my first time trading for Forex tonight. And with the help of Jindao, hopefully I would be successful enough. Thank you so much.
Done with the expo, done with my workshop. It's time to check out the sights and sounds around Dubai. So I've been to Dubai so many times, and this is one of the places I've always wanted to go check out. On day 3, I went to the Ras Al Khol Wildlife Sanctuary to look at flamingos. After that, I was off to check out one of the property developers, Shoba, and their few projects. If you want to find out more about real estate investment in Dubai, check out one of our other videos I'll be publishing soon. And that's it, 4 short but impactful days in Dubai. Looking forward to the next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe for more.